How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's a super exciting video. I'm actually filming the intro the day after we went fishing, but yesterday it was 55 degrees and rain all day long in July. It was freezing, it was disgusting out, and then right about 6 o'clock it stopped raining, the sun came out, so Eric and I decided to go to a pond, and let me tell you, I caught a huge fish. It was over 4 pounds, so you guys are going to really want to watch that. It was a super fun fight. And also make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button while you're here. Not only did we catch that giant fish, but we also caught, 6 other fish of really good size. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you guys on the water. Alright guys, so we're here to the pond, after the 24 hours of rain we got. So we're throwing some non-confidence lures today. So I've got the spinnerbait on. I hate the spinnerbait. And it's not like these pond bass are super easy to catch, because they're not. Eric's throwing a swim bait in the pond. Got him! I watched him eat that. I watched him come out of that bush, Eric, and eat that. Spinnerbait on the second cast. Oh, it's a good one. It's actually a good fish. It's a really nice fish. That's a 2-pounder. Look at that thing. Dude, that is a nice dark fish. Let's go. I can't believe that. That is a nice sized fish. Oh dude, 112. That's the biggest fish out of the pond, right? Yeah, new biggest out of the pond. Alright, second cast with the spinnerbait. I was indeed recording 2 minutes into the trip. 112, that's the biggest out of this pond so far this year. Well, I'm gonna keep throwing the spinnerbait, dude. Alright, we're gonna go this way with these other 3 low confidence baits: square bill, 10-inch worm, and I guess the trick worm isn't a complete non-confidence bait. I caught a bunch of 5-pounders on it last year, but nothing this year so far, so I would like to fish around with that. The square bill is definitely going to be the most difficult, so we'll start off with the square bill. Not looking forward to having to fish this thing. No. Yeah. I'm gonna try the little weightless finesse worm for 5 minutes and then You fishing a T-Mac or diamond tail? Bro. Yeah, the trick to fishing a weightless trick worm is just... Oh, that's big, dude. That's big. That might be big. Oh yeah, dude, Eric. It's big. It's big. It's a 5-pounder. Yeah, did you see it jump? I need help landing it, dude. Look at this thing. Look at, Eric.
Oh my god.
It's big. It's a big fish. Alright. It's a big fish. Okay, not the wood. That's it.
He's hooked, dude. He's hooked.
Let's go.
That's an absolute giant.
He was barely hooked. That is a 5-pounder.
I don't know about 5. That's probably...
That is a 5-pounder. Look at his head. Oh my gosh. I told you we were going to get a giant today. I'm going to use mine. It's right here. That's a 4.5, 5.
I go 4 1/4. Maybe, I don't even know if he's 4. Look at the eyes, bro. Look how big his eyes are.
Guys, weightless trick worm. Let's go. I was just telling the camera how I caught a bunch of good fish on this exact bait last year. Oh yeah. He's 4. 4.3.
See, I went 4 1/4. That's close. That's a tank, dude. I'll get some pictures.
Yep. Let's get a measurement on him. We need to get him back, but
he's alright. He hasn't been out of the water very long.
He's short. Yeah, he's only a 20-incher. Look at his head, though. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, look at that fish. 4-pounder.
He's not even super filled out. Like, he's pretty skinny.
4-pound, 3-ounce largemouth.
That thing is...
Right in the middle. I just chucked it out there, and when he hit it, I knew it was big.
Dude, if that thing's filled out, that's a 5.
I thought it was a 5 just because I saw his head jump. I saw this fish's head jump. Alright, guys.
You said he was big, and I instinctively just said, no, he isn't, because every time Andrew says he has a giant, it's like a 2-pounder.
Oh my god.
That's a tank, dude.
Alright. There he goes. See you, buddy.
By the way, I'm counting that fish that I just had on the shaky head.
Yeah, because you were trying to land mine. Hey, man.
Dude,
let's go. We debated even coming here tonight. And I'm glad we did. There we go. Finally. The casting distance I want. Giant, another, oh. Was I just stuck, or is it a big? I think I was just stuck on a branch. It's something decent, though. It might be a 2-pounder. Oh no, it's a dink. I was just stuck on a branch, so at first I was like, I could not reel. Alright, first curly tail fish. Let's go. Or not curly tail fish. I let him eat it a long time. Alright, 1 pound flat. Here he goes. There we go, guys. Let's go. We had to retie because the tip of that hook got bent off, which happens sometimes, especially with like that hook. I'd been using it for a couple of days, so it happens. And gamakatsu hooks are cheap and they're sharp, and they can usually last like 10 fish, so I don't mind it. But this is all we're throwing right here. These are some older worms, but they're just the Zoom Mag 2. They're like a 9.5-inch curly tail ribbon tail worm. It's just the watermelon red color. Oh my God, why didn't I set the hook? I just reeled right into the fish. Oh. Why, dude? Come on. Got him that time. That's not a bad one. He's tug and drag. He's definitely not big. Oh, dude, it's a little pound and a halfer. It's a little pound and a halfer. Let's go. It's another good one, dude. Oh my gosh. It's a 2-pounder. That's easy. That's probably close to 2. I don't know if he's quite 2. 4th fish of the day. There we go. All right. Another 112. Eric, another 112. All right, guys. 1 pound, 12 ounces. That'll help our bag for the day. There he goes. Oh my God, how did I miss that stupid fish? I didn't even set the hook that time. I'm either setting it too light or too heavy. Got him. Oh, he came off. Yep, he just pulled it down. I don't think he had the whole thing. There's the tick I was looking. Oh my God, Eric, 3 times in a row. Oh, he just bit it in half. Remember this fish last time, man? Same spot. Kept missing a fish just like this. Same spot. I missed him 4 times on the swim jig. Got him. Oh my God, again, dude. That is hilarious. That is now 4 times in a row that fish has psyched me out. That is funny. I let him eat it for too long that time too. I thought he was gonna swallow it. Dude, I casted way over those cattails. Like, my line was in the cattails. What? What? Yeah, that was a cool jump though. It's not that tiny. Is that a smallmouth? That looks so much like a smallmouth, dude. You have no idea. Yeah, he's only like a pound. Alright, let's see what this popper can do. $5-pounder first cast. Oh, that's not a good cast.
I wish I had.
You don't have any with you?
No. I was like, you know, I'm gonna fish a Texas string. I'm gonna force myself to fish a baby brush tail.
Look at my bag. I have plenty of Texas rig baits. What?
It's cheaper than a Rebel, right?
Yeah, Rebels are $5.99, I think.
And they're not. That one is not nearly as high as the Rebel.
You got one on the top water. Got him. Yep. That's, oh, don't jump. they always seem to spit it. That's, dang it.
That wasn't a bad one.
Wouldn't have helped me. First cast on the drop shot. I think I snagged him. Oh, he swallowed it. No. So super cold day. Then we went out there. Some post front conditions, and it was, I would say, lights out because we were only there for about 2 hours. I caught 6 fish, including 2 almost 2-pounders and a 4-pound 3-ounce fish, which is awesome. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below what you guys want to see in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.